Okay, so previously we had such an error in production. We are sorry, but something went wrong. And how do we track errors in production? So let's imagine that we've got a real application and users are using it, and at some point they have some kind of error. Well, now we're going to install the gem exception notification so that you'll be able to get emails whenever a user encounters an error, a code-based error in production. So let's try to install the gem and see how it works. Here we have this gem exception notification, and I'm going to add this to our gem file. Now we're going to use it only in production. So we're going to say group production do gem exception notification. And now I stop the server, type bundle. And we see that the gem was loaded. Now we need to add this line to production.rb. So we're going to production.rb, and here we're going to add these lines. So Rails application, middleware, exception notification, email. So now we're going to deliver this email. Now we don't need to add this commented line. Then email prefix OK. Send the address. It's the address from which you're going to receive error messages. So let's say app error at hello@coursego.com. Well, you can put your address here. And exception recipients is the email address to which the errors are going to be delivered. So your email address. Okay, we've configured it, and now let's see how this gem would work in real life. So let's type git status. Let's load this gem to Heroku first. Okay, once again, git add all. We'll save our changes. Git commit master gem exception notification for catching errors in production. Okay, so we've added this gem, and let's actually create a real error so that when we start our production environment, we get some kind of error. Let's first create this error in development. So here on the landing page, you'll have some kind of mistake. Let's go to views. Here we have layouts, or actually static pages, landing page, and let's add some kind of mistake. So let's have something like this, just an unclosed quote or whatever. So we're going to have the error undefined local variable method something. Yeah, let's have such an error. So testing exception notification. We are adding Ruby quotes and we try to display something that doesn't exist. So when we open our application in production, we will have such a screen that something went wrong, and we expect to get an email with the information that there was such an error. Okay, let's commit these changes. Git status, git add all, git commit main, testing errors in production, git push, and now I'll push to Heroku and see if I have this error and see if I receive an email. Git push Heroku master. So now I'll pause. Actually, not Heroku master, but Heroku main. I will pause the video and come back when we push to Heroku. Okay, so we have pushed to Heroku, and let's navigate to our Heroku app. And we have this error. Now, if we go to some kind of other page, like user sign in, we don't have this error because we are not on the home page. But when we go to the home page, we get this error. And let's go to our email and see if we received an email from exception notification. Okay, and here we see app error I will open it and I see the error static pages landing page, undefined local variable or method, exception notification. So it is on static pages controller action landing page, and it is on line 36. So we go to line 36 and here it is. So this way, we'll be able to receive and check all the errors real users have in production and see ways to mitigate these errors. And that's it. Thank you.